Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope all of you would be doing well. This is another class of English language, and here we are going to cover an important topic of English grammar. So let's see what do we have to discover in this class. So here we are going to cover the topic of application. We will see what is actually application. We would get to know about the format of writing an application and how to write application on different topics. So let's proceed. So first of all, what is application writing? It is actually a process or the act of writing documents in relation to an application. It could be written for getting a job, for getting internship, to get admission in college or university, and it is an important writing skill which everyone should be familiar of, because through this process you get to reach your desired task. So it is important to know about the format and method of writing an application, right? Here is the format of writing an application. At school levels, the application is written usually to the principal. So you would mention at the starting the principal. You would not write name of the school. You will simply mention A, B, C school, and it is important to put dot or full stop between the letters A, B, C school, comma, Karachi, name of the city, and full stop. Then you would skip one line and you would write the subject. In the subject you mention why are you writing the application, okay, and what is the objective of writing the application. So here you are requesting to grant leave, okay. Then you would address the principal, respected ma'am or respected madam, would you respect it? In this way you would start. Then you would mention the body of the application and how you would end the application, saying thanks to the principal, and then you would mention yours obediently. Obviously you would not write here your name, you would mention only XYZ, and all these things so far are left aligned, but date would be right aligned, okay. So the right hand side you would mention date. So this is the format of writing an application, right? Well, here the home task is being assigned to you. What you need to do is you have to look at the format and you have to copy down the application which are given in PDF, okay. Along with this lecture, PDF would be provided to you where 2 applications have been given, and you have to copy down those applications in your English grammar copy, right? And secondly, a task is being given to you that you have to write an application to your cricket coach to inform him why couldn't you join academy and when would you rejoin. Alright, so you have to give your reason that why couldn't you join academy, and you might have missed some important lectures. So now you need to prepare the points yourself, that if you have missed your academy classes, so whatever the lectures you have missed, you would have to request the coach to tell you the tips again, or whatever the solution he may find out to give you a relaxation, and you have to inform him then when would you rejoin, right? So this is the task you have to do regarding this lecture, right? Thank you. So along with the task of the application, I'm going to give you one task from chapter number 32. That part was remaining, and at that time I asked you to do only one essay as a homework. Now the second essay is being given to do as a homework, that is chapter 32, remaining part, exercise A, part 2, and name of the topic is the most forgetful person I ever knew, okay. The most forgetful person means the most absent-minded person that you have known, so you have to write about him, and you have to follow the rules of writing the essay, give the background, proper details, and then conclusion, right? Thank you.